Assalamu alaikum. Let's welcome to lesson 2 Urdu reading course. I am Mubahid Abbasi and today you are going to learn Urdu vowels and diphthongs. Actually, Urdu has no vowels, like but we can say something that is alternative of vowels, and you are going to learn about these. And these vowels are something different kind of use in Urdu. Urdu vowels you can pronounce as masawwate, masawwate, masawwate. English vowels we have a, e, I, o, and u. Okay, but in Urdu we have you can see on the screen as a capital A and a small a. You are thinking, what is the difference between a big A and a small a? There is a different of a sound, pronunciation of a sound a, a. The it's kind of a hard sound and a soft sound, like alif, alif. A little a, the small a has the sound of alif, and e sound as e, choti e, and o sound as wow, wow, and big a is the sound as a. Okay, so basically, these are vowels that you will connect and make a word. In Urdu, huruf tahajji conjoint and make a word. Okay, so as a reader of Urdu language, when you open a book, you see there are many. There is a sentence, and a sentence contain many words, and words contain alphabet, and alphabets conjoint and make a word. Okay, so we how can we identify which word look like that? So in that sense, there are vowels that sounds and make a sounds, and they make a word. Okay, so start from alif, a first vowel we have, and we just randomly pick an alphabet, a huruf tahajji, from huruf tahajji is bay. So we choose alif and bay together to make a word, and here is a final form. Final form you can see is a bay alif ba. Okay, for examples we use here zaban, tongue, tongue, tongue. Okay, tongue means zaban, and Urdu we translate language as a zaban. Okay, zaban, as you can see, bay alif is in the middle of the word. Okay, this is the second word is darban. Darban, a man standing outside the hotel entrance, the man. Okay, that is darban. Darban, there is dal, re, Bay Alif, and Noon. Darban. Darban. Okay. Then Bay Alif is in the middle of the word. And here are three examples we have where Bay Alif is in the starting of the word. We have the first word is rain. Barish. Barish. Rain. Be alif ba reshin rish barish. There is another word we have is father. Father means bap, and father, but we can call father as a baba. Baba. So we have we repeat this word be alif baba. We have another beautiful word which is sky. Sky means in Urdu badal. Badal. Be alif ba dal lam dal. Badal. Okay. So basically, now you getting my point. that we have these words as sound of o, a, right? Then we have another vowel which is wow, wow. Okay, so I choose a random alphabet from the huruf at of Urdu language, which is kaf, kaf. And when we conjoint kaf with waw and alif, okay, because I said later okay, ba alif, so we choose a bar randomly, so here we choose calf. So we make a both sentence with calf wow and calf alif. So there is a final form of kaf waw ko, kaf alif ka. Basically kaf waw and kaf alif are conjoining words as a sentence. Okay, this is a helping sounds, like when we trying to conjoin two sentences. Like I said, this is his pen. So in Urdu we I will say कि ये उसका पेन है, उसका पेन है, उसका पेन है. I the word ka is a letter working as a bridge, is a form of bridge, like joining two words and make a sentence. I hope you're getting my point. Okay. In words, there are also sounds like kora, kahwa ko, ra alif ra, kora, impiti, kaf wow alif, kawa. Wow has a tajdeed sound. We make a sound with double wow, kawa, crow. And you are getting the sound of crow in my background as well. Another word we have kali, and I just try to make some words with the middle and the you know starting sounds, like kali, black, black, kali, kala. You can say kala or you can say kali. Kaf alif lam choti ye kali, kaf alif lam alif kala. Sparrow, sparrow means koel. You can also say chidiya. Okay, but for being it's a type of sparrow, a breed of a kind of breed, is koel. Paper, kagaz, kagaz. Okay, so these are the voices with kaf wow and kaf alif. Mm, uh, Move to the next. We have choti ye, choti ye, this is choti ye. Then we have kaf again. We just make to conjoin these and make a letter, sorry, make a word. Kaf is actually a letter. Final form, it's ki, ka, ko. You can see on your screens as well. Kadi, kadi. Um, here is a ray in the middle of calf and ya. Okay. Another word we have kali, bird, bird, bud, bird. The first form of flower when flower is a baby, a little baby. It's called kali. We have another word which is earthworm, earthworm, quechua. It's a kind of an insect. You can google with it. Let's see. We learn ki in the quechua. There is kaf and ye. This is a two dots after kaf. It's choti ye. Actually, choti ye sound is always of present in the middle of the in the middle of the word. Choti ya rarely you can found at the end of the word, but it's mostly in the middle of the word. And but badi ya never ever come in the middle of the middle of the word. Okay, it's definitely comes in the end of the word. So how can you identify between that it's a choti ya or badi ya? Then when if you see there is a ya ya in a word, that's definitely in the, if it is in middle of the word, it's choti ya. You pronounce it choti ya. Ki Kechwa nahi, it's kechwa. Kali, kadi, kapda, कीड़ा, insect. Okay, so um, it's a sound a little softer, a little it's a little gentle sound with key, kadi, kali, kechwa, कीड़ा, kapda, cloth, kela, banana. Okay, now you can see the badi ye. It sounds like पे, बे, पे बड़ी है पे, बे बड़ी है बे, नून बड़ी है ने, काफ बड़ी है के, उसने, उस पे, बेएतबार, यानी इट्स बेएतबार मीन्स समवन वी डोंट ट्रस्ट. इस पे means on. Ne means some it's a joining word like he did this, इसने किया. के we already learned about K. Okay, how it's sounds, how it's look like in the word, you can say is kapde, clothes. Badiye, we have badiye. केकड़े, crabs. ठीक है, कपड़े, केकड़े. You can see there is no badiye in the middle of the word. Okay, badiye is always on the end of the word. Kapde, kekde. There is a little choti ye is in the middle of the kekde. The second word of kekde is choti ye, kekde. Okay. So now we have many examples from a newspaper. I just pick a newspaper randomly from it, and I just try to find some good news. You know, but I couldn't find. Well, अफगान तालिबान यकीनी बनाए इनकी सरजमीन दहशतगर्दी के लिए इस्तेमाल ना हो अमरीका. I am reading from the right hand news, and it's a fourth line. Okay, it's a fourth line. I just mark in ki and ke liye. The second word is ke liye. As you can see, ke inki choti ye is on the end of the word. Okay, it sometimes choti ye also on the end of the word, as I said before, and badi ye is always on the end of the word, like दहशत गर्दी के लिए. गर्दी, दहशत गर्दी also has choti ye on the end. Okay, and we have इनकी. Okay, then we have Supreme Court माली इस्तेदाद ना रखने वाले. इस्तेदाद means what's your status. Okay, इस्तेदाद means माली इस्तेदाद, what is your status. माली इस्तेदाद ना रखने वाले मुजरिमों को वकील खिदमात की फरहमी के लिए कमेटी तश्कील. Now you can see there is so many words which use choti ye in the middle of the word and the end of the word. Okay, there is a word supreme. For the first word of this line has a supreme. Supreme has a choti ya before meme. Okay, then we have mali. Supreme Court के बाद क्या आ रहा है? माली. After that word Supreme Court, we have the word Mali. Mali has choti ye because choti ye it's on the end, so we make a full shape of choti ye. Then we have rakhne wale mujrimo ko. Now you focus and concentrate on the sounds of rakhne. I I don't say rakhni wali. No, he said rakhne wale. It's a hard sound, and a little little crushing sound like रखने वाले. Okay, then we have मुजरिमों को वकील, वकील, we don't say वकील. Then we need to use बड़ी ये, but here is a two dots that's make that's indicating that it's a छोटी ये. वकील की वकील खिदमात की फरहमी के लिए. देन अगेन की, काफ छोटी है की. You are observing the sounds. Then we have the word farahmi. Farahmi also sounds little gentle. Then we have के लिए big a, बड़ी ये sound. Then we have के लिए we have बड़ी ये sound, a little harder sound. Then we have another headline that I marked with the red thing. आम इस्तेमाल की अशिया के नर्ख नीचे लाने का मामला ECE. Then इस्तेमाल की, then की, the sound like a little is gentle. की. Then we have अशिया, अशिये नहीं, it's अशिया, it's not अशिये, it's अशिया. Then we have two dots with अशिया. Then we have के अशिया के, नर्ख नीचे, नीचे. Then we have two ya together. After noon we have two dots, नीचे. It sounds now you getting the difference between नीचे, the छोटी ये, and big ये sounds, नीचे. Then we have लाने, नून बड़ी ये ने. As I told you before, the sounds of noon badi ye ne, lane. Okay, something you need to pick up or something you need to impose, lane. Then we have another word is K, ECCK. ECC is nothing but just a sound you make in Urdu of ECC. It's English word, English alphabets. Then we have के एजेंडे का हिस्सा. के काफ बड़ी है के, एजेंडे. It's an English word actually. Then we just make a pronunciation and it's just a written form. Then ka, एजेंडे का. Okay, काफ अलिफ का. So basically these are sounds you need to understand, and how you will identify it's basically you need to read, you need to listen, how people speak and how it sounds like, how it's match with the sounds, how it's match with the text, how it's basically look like. Then we have let's read a story. एक चिड़िया थी. Here is छोटी ये. In the word ek means one. Ek here are two dots which shows that there is using choti ye. Chidiya, ya alif. Now you can see ya ye connect, choti ye connected with alif, and alif will be the last word, not choti ye only. Till previous things we just read that choti ye, it's maybe on the end or maybe in the middle, but we didn't see that alif is on the end. But now here we can see that alif is on the end and the ya is the is in the middle of the word. This is chidiya, thi, choti ye. Again choti ye is on the end. I didn't use choti ye with thi wali thi thing, because that do chashmi he word is actually not a alphabet, it's a sound, and we will learn about these sounds in another lecture. to got the basic rules or something, or if maybe if it's needed. The next thing we have is iska naam Chinchi tha. I just highlight the word Chinchi. Che noon che choti ye Chinchi. Again the chi sound, the e sound, the little gentle sound is on the end. It means they use choti ye. एक दिन की बात है तो एक दिन की, लिटिल जेंटल साउंड की है। चिंची चिड़िया गाय के। now you are listening my voice, that ups and downs of गाय के पास बैठी थी और वो दाने चुक चुक कर खा रही थी। अचानक गाय ने गोबर कर दिया और चिड़िया इस गोबर में दब गई। Then may also have या, that's two dots is या, में दब गई और वो उड़ ना सकी। The सकी have छोटी ये और दूसरी the second one, और दूसरी तरफ से from the other side, और दूसरी तरफ से एक कुत्ता आया। A dog came। चिड़िया ने नून बड़िए ने चिड़िया ने इससे कहा, भाई कुत्ते मुझे निकाल। ब्रदर डॉग प्लीज हेल्प मी टू रेस्क्यू। कुत्ते ने कहा, मैं अगर निकालूंगा तो मैं तुझे खा लूंगा। So basically, if you listen to me carefully, you understand the differentiate between the sounds, and it's basically based on the sounds that it sounded ka, ki, oo. These are the main things you need to understand, how you pronounce it, how you use it. These are the basic things. And what is the formula to make you perfect? This is practice again and again. Read short story books, and the practice makes you perfect, inshallah. Thank you for watching. अल्लाह पाक आपके मददगार हों। आमीन।